Okay, so we're going to have a crack at some flatfish today, some big ones, some medium ones and some little ones. It's September, so it is the right time of year. We'll be flicking some soft plastics and also trolling some hard-bodied lures. Starting with the Pro Lure crank and also the Daiwa double clutch. Stay tuned. In with him. Lift him in. Drop the these legal fish. He's throwing the hook and we just got him. Chloe and Lily. We got a fish. He felt bigger. There you are.
Aya. Is he a keeper?
Yeah, definitely.
Everything else, like, they're going to just about it. Yeah, doggies. Yeah, doggies. Mama.
Get it out of the way, might be weed. You're not fighting.
Nah.
Oh, weed. Oh, is it? Oh, it's a fish. Go. Got it? Good boy, Coey G.
The best snake catcher.
That did not even fight, that one.
See, I'm the best snake catcher.
Well done, mate. That floody dog didn't even put up a fight. And he spat it out again as well like the last one. Wow, hey? Big morning of nothing and it's just all turning on now. Little double clutch. Wowzers. Two flatties.
Yay!
Hello. Two flatties on the double clutch. Big one. Big floody dog.
Oh my god, this is a bigger time. Okay.
Easy with this one.
I'm not changing them on. Right? You should have no time deep.
Here we go, you ready? It's coming in. Here it comes. Flatties are good this time of year in September. Oh, Coey. Coey, you got him? Alright, pass me the net.
You got it?
Yes. Three bloody dog. It's a good one. Look at that one. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, doggies.
Oh yeah, doggies.
Oh yeah, doggies.
Oh yeah, doggies.
Doing the freaking. Oh yeah, doggies.
Double clutchy. What size that one? Good fish, it's about 60. Coey drive. At that stick over there. One lure today is all we need. Beautiful Mount Warning in the background. Houseboat, Chindra, Barney's Point Bridge. See this edge. See if we can get a strike in a second. Yeah, man. Oh, we got one. On again. Flatty 4. Carl, you want this fish? Quick, keep the pressure on. Wind. Yep. It is. Oh, swing him in. Swing him in. Hopefully he gets off.
Are we gonna let him go?
Yeah.
Can I put him in?
You want to get your glove and pliers?
I can just use my glove. He doesn't move. Please don't move. Got him wrong up.
It's either a huge beast. Oh, it's weed. I can't tell. Oh, it's weed. It's off. Alright, good boy, Collie. Oh, what have you caught, Lily? Oh, what'd you catch? Look at me. Lily, what'd you catch?
This.
What is it? Oh, a mangrove root. That'll grow perfectly at home. You took it root and all too. Look at this. What a cracking catch, Lily. Well done, mate. You've got a whole plant.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh, look at that block of land for sale. Oh, it's a house. That house is for sale. That's a good one. Coming soon. That one's good. Look at him. Beautiful. Got any mates? Cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Collie. What happened?
They flipped over.
Uh-oh. Alright, a successful session. We ended up with 4 floodies, 3 keepers, 2 big ones and a medium one. So it was a good day. Kids had fun. Built a shelter, didn't ya?
Yeah.
Had a good day, Collie?
Yes. I'm looking at the big fish.
Oh, what?
If I see the fish, we'll wind up in the line.
Try and get the glare off. There we go.
Pull my eyes off.
Good fish.
I want to see a fish.
Alright, till next time. We'll feed the floodies.